Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another latest update about Stellar XLM. In this video, we are going to discuss the latest and urgent update of the Stellar XLM, especially the tomorrow price prediction of the XLM. So keep on this video complete, and before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now you can see here, my friends, that is just the last 2 hours price update of the Stellar XLM. And first of all, my friends, the latest price of the XLM in the market is 0.269916 USD dollar is the currently live and latest price of the XLM. And furthermore, my friends, you can see here from the price chart from the latest update, the changes of the XLM is positive 1.4% increase in just 2 hours 120 minutes. The XLM price increase and 0.270608 USD dollar is the highest price after Stellar XLM. So you can see from the price chart that's also clear that absolutely XLM taken a huge pump, and now just the latest situation in the latest hour, the XLM price jumps for some time, for latest time, for a while. And now again you can see the latest situation of the XLM is going positive, and now I think that possibilities, my friends, that in the future the price again pump. And now, my friends, you can see due to this character that price fastened for some time and again the price pumping mode. So due to this character, now my prediction is going positive, and I'm sure about that XLM give us profit, not loss in the future. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about XLM? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.